Hello, hi everyone. My name is Mjeta Rotondwa, the guy with the YouTube channel. Thanks for getting back to my YouTube channel. This year, it's gonna be in an easy year, a nice year. Now, today I just want us to do a simple task one of an ISET. Yo, hey, no recent project. We are on the new project, new PC, new device. Everything is new. Okay. Now our new project Windows application one shows that is the first one. Let's just say PCP I set one. Now our I set for 2025, it's a little bit different with the one in 2024 whereby we're using hardware items. This year we are into the mm, restaurant. And guys, remember it differs with the colleges. If your college says is doing um the spaza shop, you go for spaza shop. If your college is saying is doing restaurant, you go for restaurant. So it differs with the college. And another thing, one thing you need to know for sure is that all that we do and upload on YouTube are a way forward to show you guys how to do it. They are not exactly what you must submit, because most of you are getting penalized because you come to my WhatsApp inbox, you request for the project I gave you, you submit it as it is, and then you get disqualified because you are not the only one who comes to my WhatsApp to ask for this project. So many people comes to ask for this project. So please, to avoid the duplication of the work at your campus, it's better to use this as a guideline on how it's being done. This we are just only doing it so that you can see how it's being done. And then where is the radio button? Or at least edit the code, at least, because taking it as it is now, guys, it's not cool. It's not cool. Let's get a checkbox and then okay, we start to design an interface. Okay guys, here we go. Let me duplicate my group box. Let me put one up here. Okay, control copy, control V, paste. So I've got two group box now. This one will have some radio buttons. Okay, let me put one, copy, paste, paste, paste. Let's say maybe three of them. So guys, let's just be creative when we design our interface. Before we submit, we mustn't be that much of lazy. Like how I do it myself here, myself, when I do it here, I'm just only doing for finishing. I'm only doing so that you can see what's going on. But you guys, when you do it on your side, please be creative, make it beautiful, put some logo for your business, and etc and etc. I've forgotten to duplicate the the group box again. So I'm duplicating it now with these items inside. Okay, I'll just highlight them and delete. Okay, we delete. There we go. This second group box will have checkbox. How many checkbox should I do? Maybe let me just say 4 also. Copy, paste, paste, paste. So guys, if you check my YouTube channel and you see that I've done with 4 items, please go and do with more than 4 items. At least don't just only do exactly the way I did. Please make it clean, make it nice. um Let me call this button calculate. Let me call this label name. And then this one, of course, is gonna be surname. And by the way, guys, we have got a WhatsApp group where we are. Look at me, I'm talking about WhatsApp group and I'm writing group here. Yeah, this guy doesn't know how to focus and do multiple things. What did I wanted to write here? Oh, contact. So yes, on the link I will give my WhatsApp number. When you come to my WhatsApp number, please request for WhatsApp group, or maybe I will give also the link to the WhatsApp group, and then you just go straight to the WhatsApp, and then yeah, that's where you will get the lessons. When are we doing the lesson? What are we doing? When are we doing? Now let's say Bunny chow. Let's say burger. Um, let's say sandwich. We are sending a witch here. Sandwich. Lastly, let's say maybe a hot dog. Ne? There we go. Okay, and then here, maybe let's say this is where we're having the menu, right? Menu. And then here we are having what we will add. So they are gonna be the extras on top of our menu. Okay, let's say called drink. On top of the what you will select, let's say iced tea. Let's say maybe chips. And then lastly, let's say mocktail. Yo, what a restaurant that has got some mocktail. Okay, so guys, oh, where are we gonna display? Where are we gonna put our answers? So let me push this one a little bit up here so that we can have where to display. Let's use a list box. Should we use a list box, text box? Which one is better? We can go for both if we want. Any, it's okay, guys. So come on, if you come to my YouTube channel, you realize that I've used list box. Don't say I'm gonna use a list box because he used list box. You can go for text box. Okay, any works, any works. So yeah, let's rename all these variables and then we begin with coding. Okay, let's rename it and then begin with coding. Okay, text box 1, we are changing it to txt name. Txt name. Let's come to this one. Txt name. Let's move txt contact. Okay, Let's say this one is a radio button. Let's say rad bunny. uh spelling is spelling. Rad bunny, rad bag. This one, let's say rad sandwich, and then now Bobby rad hot dog. Okay, this one checkbox. The short for checkbox is CHK. CHK cold drink. And then this one CHK iced tea. And then this one CHK chips. I'm repeating, guys, please don't use what I am using. Please be creative, use something different. This is just only giving you a blue map or to see how it should be done. Okay, this one, let's say LST display. LST display. There we go. Now, guys, um I have chosen to use subroutine, sub procedure instead of using public functions, because the public functions, uh, or we can mix. I think the easier one is this one of sub procedure, because we declare all things that we want on the global, on the main form, and then they will appear everywhere in the form, so it makes it easier. We don't declare after declaring. It makes it quick and fast to finish. So let's go to double click our form. Now on our form, on top here, that's where we declare our things. Dim, let's declare all these things. We declare str name, what is comma, str surname, anything that will be string. Okay, s string. All right, and then down here, let's declare again game. Okay, int contact, comma, um sandwich, comma, hey, spelling of my witch. Hey, sandwich, comma. I can leave this int thing, man, and just only do because it's taking me time. Int sandwich, int, I think there is bunny, comma, int, there is bag, comma, int hot dog, s integer, right? S integer. Can I also again use another integer? I could have coded in one line and realizing that my code is going far further. Yo, English. So allow me to break it and code the very same thing underneath here, which is also int cold drink, cold drink, comma int iced tea, comma int chips, chips, comma int 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 mocktail, mocktail as integer. Guys, the most complaints that I always receive from people is that say it's not debugging, say it's debugging but it's not displaying. Please, when you do the code, please do it piece by piece. Don't do everything until you finish, because you do everything from the beginning to the end, and then when you debug and it's not working, you do not even know where is the mistake. So then you don't even know where to start when you fix it. So when you are coding, please take your code bit by bit, stage by stage, and then when it's debugging, when it's working, you go stage by stage. Where the problem starts, at least you know that this is where I'm having a problem. But then if you just do everything, you won't know where the problem started. Okay, so let's say deck total, uh deck discount, deck total, deck discount. What else? I think I'm done. As decimal, enter. All right. I think we have declared everything that we want on the global. Now we can create a public function. Now we create a public function under an end sub of private sub. So we come here on the private sub, under its end sub, that's where we create our public function. Not our public function, sorry, I mean our public sub. Our public sub, public sub. Our public sub, it's gonna calculate the total. Total. Calc total. We are not gonna buy val any. Where are my brackets? I'm looking for the brackets here. Okay, there we go. We are not gonna buy val anything, since we are not gonna put any parameters inside, since we have declared on the global, so it comes automatically, guys. We just go straight with our formula. um as case, let's say, mm, mm, if hey, I think I've given myself a lot of work now here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I've given myself a lot of work here. Okay, let's just go with it though. If rad, let's start with the first radio button. If it's selected, which radio button is that? Where did I put my radio buttons? dim int. These are the radio buttons. These are the okay. If rad, let's start with the one of sandwich. Okay. If rad sandwich dot checked, then int sandwich equals to how much is sandwich? I don't even know myself. How much is sandwich, guys? Let's just say 15 rand, right? Okay. Also, I think we can work also on displaying what is selected. Okay. I think that will also help us to shorten our work. Lst display dot items dot add. Okay. Okay, let's say the item that is selected is called sandwich. Sandwich, and then the price, let's also do the price. VB tab, VB tab. No, I'm not coming with it. All right, sandwich. After there we say then VB tab, and then on this side we can then say R 15 rand. Okay. Okay, good. Now let's come to the second one. If customer select bani ne, if customer select rad bani, if it's dot checked, if it's checked, then forgive me for using this shortcut, guys. Copy, paste. Now this one we have to remove sandwich. We have to put bunny. This one it has to be 20 rand. Guys, we are dealing with the radio button. The reason why we are using if and if and if without using the else, if, those other styles is because it's a radio button and only one radio button can be switched on at the same time, unlike the checkbox that can be selected as many as possible at the same time. Okay, so if radio button that is carrying burger, it's checked, then hey, there's a mistake I did here. Up here I need to use int Barney. Int Barney, it must be equals to 20. Good, there we go. Tanya must say int burger, burger equals to 80 rand, and then let's copy that line and paste it. Okay, control V, It's no longer sandwich, it is burger now. Burger. That is 8 rand. Okay. I'm hoping you are following, guys. You are able to follow and understand. Uh, we are dealing with the radio button, guys. The reason why you're seeing me doing like this, it's because I want to test it to see if my code is working. I don't want to be surprised. I don't want to be surprised. Um. mhm. And then, guys, we're gonna have a serious challenge though. We're gonna have a serious challenge here. This thing I was supposed to have done them under a part. Okay, but no. Let's go. There are many ways of doing PCP. So let's not panic, guys. Let's not panic. Um, we can still call the function on that other side, and then it will come with everything, isn't it? Yeah. So let's do the last one. If last one is what hot dog ne? If rad hot dog dot checked, then int hot dog. How much is hot dog? Let me just say 35 rand. I don't know how much is it though. And then 35 rand. Here we say hot dog. Hot dog. Okay. So guys, now I just wanna have a way forward. So far, all this thing, if I debug it, it won't work. It won't work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna assign. After assigning, I'm gonna call a function and then see how it's gonna work. Because the way I'm doing it this year, it's completely different from the way I did last year. If you can see, all these things I did them under the button. I'm not sure if I do them under the public sub procedure. They do work, but it's a good risk to go with, right? Let's see. Wait, Salah, we rala. Let's see. Let's assign our text box though. Hmm. Let's say str name, str name assigned to str name assigned to c str. We're converting to the string. We are converting what is in the text box, txt name dot text dot text. And then one might be saying, say, why aren't you not using integer dot types? As you can hear, it's integer, not string. So here I'm converting what is in a string. Str convert string txt surname dot text. The PCP style that says integer dot types, I will do it now here. Integer dot types into the brackets txt contact dot text dot text, and then I'll say comma, int contact, int contact, int contact. There we go. Let me assign all those 4 items again. Integer dot try-pace, integer dot try-pace. Inside we started with what? With sandwich, right? Txt. We don't have txt on the sandwich. It's rad sandwich dot text comma int sandwich. Okay, we have assigned it. Let's assign another one. Integer dot try-pace. Let's follow with which bracket is that one? Okay, we say rad. From that one we came to Bunny, right? Rad Bunny dot text comma int Bunny. Okay, let's assign the third one. Integer dot try-pace. We are assigning another radio button. Rad. From Bunny we came to Beggar. Rad beggar dot text. Hey guys, I'm not sure if what I'm doing this year will work. This just came to my idea that I should try it. So those that we do online class, they know we always try new things, not knowing if whether they work. When they work, we celebrate. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. If they don't work, we get to know that this is never to be done in the exam room because it will waste time. But here it's not wasting time because I'm alone coding here, preparing for you guys. So yeah, rad. Lastly, it has to be hot dog. Rad hot dog dot text comma int hot dog. So guys, I'm not even close to finish, but I need to be extra careful. You see, okay, let me first call the function so that what is under the, sorry, there's a message that just entered. There's a message that just entered on my phone. Okay, it's not the message about the money. I thought it's the message about the money. Okay, let's continue with the code. Okay, let's continue with the code. Oh, I said we are calling the function, right? Calc total, and then calc total with our brackets. There we go. We called it. We called it, guys. We called it. Can we debug and see if we can just get all those 4 items with their prices? The only panic I'm having now is that the name and the surname and the contact might come under their root calculate. Even though you guys who comes to take my things from the YouTube, normally you have got this challenge when you submit to your lectures, you submit with calculate, and then they catch you from there. Why is it that everyone in the class is submitting calculate instead of calculate? Hey, come on, let it finish loading. Oh, okay, let me copy this. Copy. Let me come down here. Let me paste. Hey Jesus, what did I do wrong? I've got errors, guys. Okay, let me say undo. Okay, undo. Let me come up here again. Probably I have left and if. Yeah, copy now. Let's see if we will have any error. No errors. Let's debug. Okay. Nothing. Oh, I did not even click. Look at this say of yours. Bunny 20, Bunny 20. How? So guys, allow me to undo. We remain with this one up here only, ne? Because it's working twice. Because it was twice up there and down here. There we go. Let's wait for it. Let's say it's Bunny that is selected. It will show that Bunny selected and it's 20 rand. Let's say it's Beggar that is selected. It will say Beggar 80 rand. Let's say it's Sandwich that is selected. Sandwich and it's 15 rand. Let's say Hot Dog selected and then hot dog and it's 35. And here only one item can be selected at the same time. They cannot be selected all of them at the same time, right? So now guys, I'm having an idea. I'm gonna come up there and do the calculation, but down here I'm gonna take this to display. So guys, let's cut this. We're gonna come back to calculate the total, right? But now we need to work on okay, let me say cut ne. Okay, now up here when I need to display lst display dot items dot add. Okay, we need to add okay, we need to first write name. We need to first write name with a semicolon. Do they call it semicolon or hyphen? I don't know, but like that. And then after that we must put the txt name. Why is it not coming out? Oh, we need to put this. I always forgotten. Txt name dot text. We're supposed to put VB tab so that there can be a nice space. We use VB tab for having a nice space between things. VB tab. So it's gonna display the name of a customer, guys. Let me say copy so that we can also do for the surname of a customer. Here we're gonna say surname, surname, and then here the text box, it's no longer for the name, it's for the surname. All right, and then down here we're gonna do for the contact detail of the customer. Contact detail of the customer. Contact. So guys, I always says when you code, please code while testing. Imagine I just coded everything without testing. and then I realize it's not working. How was I gonna fix it? So please do it step by step. Code taste, so at least you will then know where lies the problem. All right. mm, Now here, underneath here, let me draw a line. Let me paste this, and then inside let me enter and remove all this thing, and then draw a line. Mhm. There we go. This line we're gonna need it again when we draw a line between the item. Copy. Did I copy? Not sure. What happened, guys? Let me see, undo. Okay. Copy. Okay, guys. Let me paste that line here. So yeah. Mm, yeah, let me say what. I don't know. Paste again, but this time around it's not just a line only. It's a line that is having some information inside. Let me use one of our moderator on the group, and their hotmail hot restaurant, and you will see somebody will just submit it like this, and their hot restaurant. You guys sometimes say, okay, let's taste what we just did, if it's gonna work. Okay, so far. Okay, let's say sandwich is selected, and then the customer selected sandwich, let's say it's Lulama. The surname is Mujeda. The contact is 0659,012. Okay, calculate. Now you see, now in their hot restaurant, the name of the customer is Lulama, surname is Mujeda, contact, item selected is sandwich, there is a price. Now we need to work on these items being selected, and then they appear here with their price, and then from there, appearing with the price, we will then work on getting the total amount. So guys, you see, this is how it should be done. We do, we test, we do, we test. If we do, we don't test, you're dead. Okay, let's have underneath the name of the restaurant. Uh, okay, let's assign integer dot typeface uh chk cold drink dot text comma int cold drink You don't make me laugh. Oh, you're making me laugh. That audio of yours. Hey, integer dot. Sorry, guys. There's a funny comedy playing on the side. Hey, don't drink ice. Ice tea. It's okay. Int ice tea. Let's assign and finish. Dorui oil. CHK chips. Id- CHK mocktail. Comma int mocktail. Okay, now guys. Heesh. Now we need to work on we need to work on okay something like this to identify which item is selected and displayed and its price. If we can do that, then the only thing left is calculating the total and also getting the display. Simple as that. All right. Uh, I've realized something here, guys. I've realized something here. Um, uh, um, 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 um. Sorry. There is a mistake I did. Now I'm returning what int sandwich. I'm not supposed to return int sandwich. I need to return menu so that when I do the calculation, the total I will be able to work on it nicely. We need to declare menu and also extra. Okay, comma menu, comma extra. Otherwise, we won't survive. Int menu, int extra. Okay, guys, because all these prices here are for menu. Let me say int menu. I hope you are following. Int menu. We were gonna have a problem when we calculate the total. Otherwise, we were gonna take a long walk to freedom. So this one will simplify it for us because it can only select one item at a time. So then that item selected, then it will give us the price of that menu instead of calling it by a name. We're gonna be using if statement again. I know we will not win with that one. So can I say what? Okay, we are under here now. We're gonna use if statement again. If CHK. um, we have got four of them, right? It's mocktail, chips, iced tea, and what? Cold drink. Okay, CHK cold drink dot checked, then int, what do we call it? Int extras. Okay, int extra equals to how much is the cold drink? This one that we guys, what we display, we assign to firstly is the one that we're gonna use to calculate, and the underneath one that we are using it to display which item it's selected and how much is that item. So displaying the item selected and its price doesn't help us to calculate, it helps us to know when we see the interface or the slip. It's for the customer, it's not for the system of the company for calculating. Okay, it's for the displaying of the customer to see on the slip. But this one that we declare first, that we assign to first on top of the display, is the one that we're gonna use to calculate. So the cold drink, let's say it's what, 20, right? And then we said, um, let's use this one, copy, paste, and then now it's no longer hot dog. Customer must see that he has selected cold drink, and the cold drink it's 20 rain. Okay guys, let me copy all this, copy, paste. CHK this time around, it's not for cold drink, it's CHK for iced tea. Okay, okay, here we're gonna say iced tea, which is how much? 28 rand. Okay, let's say, from the iced tea we are coming to CHK chips, and chips are 45 rand. Then here it must show customer that you have selected also chips, and the price for chips is 45 rand. Okay, lastly we're gonna do for the mocktail. No, you pay yo Jesus, ayiphe and pachitu. How much is mocktail? Eh, how much? Okay, okay, I get it. So let's see 70 rand. Okay guys, let's debug and see. mm, let's say inshallah la machimane. Inshallah, let's go for hot dog ne, and two cold drink, iced tea, and let's say mocktail instead of chips, right? Let's say calculate. So guys, this is it. And they are hot restaurant. Name of the customer Shalala, name Machimani. Contact, there we go. The customer selected the hot dog, cold drink, iced tea, and mocktail. Okay. So one thing that is left now is to get the total. And from getting the total, one thing left it's gonna be getting the what the discount. Okay. Hey, Jesus. When did I call the when did I declare those things? Up the on the global. Okay, the total and the discount. Ish. Eh, the total assigned to int menu. We don't want. We want int menu. Int int what int extra, right? Where did I do the mistake now? The int menu. I need to take. Mm, I let it display that item. Yo, nkanla ore. Yo. Eh. Prophet. Mm. Dek. Hey, Shubi Nimpanak. Let's display and see if this deck total it's working. Ish, what time it's running out now, guys? Aish. Yo, Jesus. I'm just gonna write anything. Hey. Oh, okay, I know. It won't work. Let's write the real names. Um, Betty Mosima. And the contact is this one. And then Betty is eating the bunny with chips and the mocktail, right? Let's say calculate. Let's see, guys. There we go. The T is the customer machine, and then and there, and then the total, and then let's get the discount. Yeah. Yeah. What time is it now? 12 past 8. Oh goodness, Lord. This laptop, it's not in time. Sewing it. It was hot. So our deck total must be multiplied. I don't know if it's gonna work when we multiplied it here instead of doing it somewhere else first and then we bring it here. Now, guys, I'm not sure. But let's see if it's gonna work. 0.15 for 15%. If it doesn't work, we will have to do it somewhere else and then bring it here. Ish, my head is aching. Oh! Discount. Bono Langa. Your name is 123. Yes, and a contact number. And then which one have we not selected yet? If we selected Beggar, let's say with iced tea. Iced tea. Doesn't see. Okay, it's gonna be 100 rand. The discount it says 15. No, it's incorrect, guys. It's incorrect. Something is wrong, guys. Our total is saying 100 rand and then 80 plus 28. It's not 100. It's 108. Did I do anything wrong? Okay, this one and this one. Oh god. So guys, the next video that I'm gonna do now, I'll be showing you this exact style doing this way, but our calculation we have to do it up here. Let me show you. Wait, where is it? This one, deck total, extra menu. Deck total, extra menu. I think we have already called that. Okay, deck total into extra. Extra. Where did we call this? Okay, it's here. Let's cut it from here. Cut. Let's come and paste it down here. Oh, South Africa will be easy. That was for the total name. Let's also get another one for the main for the discount. I mean to say. Okay. Public sub calc discount. Why? Okay. Calc discount. And then discount is gonna be deck total. Deck total multiply by 0.15, which is 15%. And then let's call this on this side. It's called deck calc discount. Calc discount. Ziyabuya. You see why ndichikori tikonyakuya live nane mangalaro semana. Oh god. Hey. mm. Mm. No, they were build errors. Okay. Three error. Let's see where the errors are. Okay. Sandwich and cold drink 15 rand and 20 rand. Total 25 rand. Discount is gonna be 5.25 cent. So then it must go and deduct this 5 rand 25 rand from here and then show the total after the discount it took. Okay. No, it calculated properly the discount. It told us the exact amount of discount we're gonna get, but it must go and withdraw this discount from the total and tell us how much a person is gonna pay after the discount it's discounted. And also here it's supposed to be in rands here, and the total and the discount are supposed to be in rands, and then finish. Oh, okay, dot to string, and then in brackets we put C for currency to say that it's okay. Let's say C2 for South African currency. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, yes, let me this. Okay, here take discount. Okay, this is where the error is at. We are calling this one. Okay, let's remove this and then we're good. This one, ish, we are not supposed to call the discount. We need to call the calc total, the name of a procedure. Yes, there we go. You are still having an error, you stupid. I'll put it inside something, maybe it will be fine. Okay, let me click it from the scratch by myself. Okay, can I? Okay, I'll fix it later. It's one error left. Can I declare something that I will use to do with the discount? Let me say comma total discount. That's decimal. Sorry guys. Total discount. Where am I gonna do it? Total discount. Help me load. Okay, let me do it here. Total discount. To total discount assigned to total discount assigned to deck total. Do I say multiply or subtract? Can't remember. But let me say multiply by 0.150. What is 0.15? Okay. Mm. Let me say copy. Let me say paste. And then let me say total with discount. And then here I'm gonna put yo the laptop is freezing. Okay. Total. What did I name it? What did I name it? Total discount. Okay. Total discount. Okay. Let's debug. Yes. Let's continue. There were two errors. Okay, no problem. We'll attend them soon. Okay. Top. Okay. Total is 8, right? Discount is 12. There's something that is not displaying, guys. Total with discount. This one. That's the item that discount. It did not appear on the list box. If you saw it, it did not appear. I don't know why. Did it choose not to appear? That song, it was like a prophecy. Can I say add? Let's see what exactly is the problem. Uh, yeah, it is multiplied by, but I've forgotten to what do we call it? Discount. Is it deck discount assigned to? I wonder all these things are just giving me errors. I'm too slow to think, né? Very slow to think. And then what? Okay, these brackets is supposed to be removed. And then what left again? Is this one that is up there? So we're gonna get the deck total. Okay. Oh, my brain is too slow. There we go. No errors anymore. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. Here we go, guys. Let's see this one, last one, this one that is not appearing. What is wrong with it? What is wrong with it? Okay. Okay. Hey, total with the discount is the same as discount to it didn't subtract this money from this one and then we get the total here. Guys, I'm running short of ideas now. The battery is gone. Hey, I can't it not finish. Okay, let me do this. Let me do this quickly. 2 minutes, I'll be done. Um, like discount. Yeah, I'm hoping I'm not messing up here. Um, deck total subtract deck discount. If this doesn't fix it, I give up. At least I'll just be left with one mark. Even the battery of a phone is confessing. Fiona. No, where's the contact is that one? She took beggar with mocktail. Okay. Okay, now there we go. The total is 150, discount is 22 rand, 5, and then total with discount it's 127.50 cent. Whew, perfect. Finally. Yo, God. So, guys, that's it. Hmm. 1 hour 17 minutes instead of 1 hour only, and or below 1 hour.